When we went to look at this boat, we had no clue. We had done a little bit of research about sailing, but...
On A1A, Beachfront Avenue, girls were hot wearing less than bikinis.
As far as the type of boat, the Odin 820.
And raising the mast.
We had no clue because there was not much online.
A mast raising video. But we figured we would wait until sunny South Florida to do it.
There's like no good instructions out there.
The mast in its traveling position. We have to be the good instructions. This is gonna be a tough order.
Yeah.
Move the mast back. Bolt it there. Because it's tedious, it takes a long time, and it's gonna take even longer if we try to film it. We gotta hook up the shrouds. Each of the turnbuckles is the same amount of threads on either side, and I'm gonna finish tuning it up when we get the mast up. Time to slide the mast back. So
it's a lot of different little steps, and you need a camera crew here to record it.
We need a camera crew.
How I miss that blue water crashing up on golden sand. I may never make it back to the island where my heart has been with you all these years.
Because it takes both of us to do it properly and safely.
Things usually get hooked up on the winches and like this. And I just kind of walk it back towards the palm trees. All you'll have to do is push down, and then you can slide the pin in. It went right in. Great job. Okay, teamwork.
And it didn't say anything about raising the mast. It had instructions on how to lower the mast.
The nut is right there near you. I think I heard it go flying. Oh boy, got it.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
Oh.
She's locked in. Now what do we do?
The short stays.
The little baby stays.
This is something.
You know, I think you're right, Ashley.
Thanks.
You're usually right. They're right under there, yeah. Baby stays in place. Next step, it deals with this line right here. 5-to-1 mechanical advantage coming up.
Ready to run?
Ready to run. A lot of magic happens right up here. And there's a good look at what we've got. Took a lot of research on Ashley's part.
I started researching how to raise our mast. Everything was in German because it's a German boat. So I had to do a lot of translating from the original German manual for the boat.
Separate these two pulley systems without twisting it. You just pull them apart.
It was a harsh translation.
We there?
Oh, a little bit more.
Are we there yet?
I'm already there. How I miss.
I'm just gonna carefully set this down here. Just twist it up like a bag of ropes. The only way it can go. This slides right in there, like that. Bang. Extend the pole.
It's a grower, not a shower.
Yeah, it's a grower. I'm gonna need your help again. And of course, the furling line is in the way again.
A lot of it, it's easy, you know, you can do with one person. There's just a couple things in there that it takes, you know, more than two hands.
Twist it that way. There. Now you're too far twisted. There we go. Now we're talking. Yes.
There.
Look at that. One line that's over top of that. Pull on the line this way. Yes. Done. Gotta put it in that hole right there.
Yep, that's his home.
Okay. Go to your home. You got me trained.
Yeah.
Just that easy. Everything's looking good, right?
Yeah.
Now we've got to secure this pole on either side. Yeah, that's right. A-frame lines.
when we get there and we're asking about the mast raising system, the guy points to our pole with the 2 ropes hanging off of it, the magic pole, and says, "This is how you'd raise the mast." And we're
like, wait a minute,
there was
what?
no way that was
How
possible.
is that gonna do that? Can you explain it to me? And he's like, not really. No, I don't know how it works.
So we
I'm
actually
like,
got a discount on the price because he couldn't explain to us how anything worked with the boat.
Yeah, I mean, that's legit. Go straight down through, yeah.
No, he had somebody else getting the entire boat ready for him and put it in the water, and he just hopped on and sailed it.
Awesome. Okay, so now we are in a great position. It's getting hot. Beautiful day. She is ready to come up. If you don't do it just right,
bad things can happen.
you can destroy your own boat.
Yeah, one wrong pin removed or one wrong rope released too soon and your whole mast is going down.
Yeah. Oh, that'll be fine. That one line that's draped over, that'll be fine.
Good?
Keep going. Super tight and it's binding. I'm gonna ease some tension on this old girl.
Difficult thing to figure out without somebody showing you.
And we know of at least one other Odin owner that was having questions about raising their mast. This is the biggest piece of advice. Check the stays tension as you're raising it. May need to make some adjustments to free it up. Plus we had a bind over here.
Almost there.
See, now this one's super tight and this one's loose. We gotta tune this rig up, that's for sure. We got this one holding that side and this one holding that side. Okay. Pull this out and then tighten it up to a point where
So the
they
two
can
holes
connect.
align, and then you put the pin back through, and they're connected. All right, that was a little too much. And so we were hoping the guy that we bought the boat from would know a little bit about it, and he had no clue. I don't know.
Head stay is all set. Now we're talking about just have to remove our magic raising pole. It's simply pull this pin. Yeah. Now we've got to tension the back stay a little bit, tuning all the standing rigging.
Right, and I was able to find out a little bit.
Take a quick measurement, halyard, and find out how far off we are. Let's see what it is on the other side. Sweet. Real close. We've got the rig tensioned. You can have this. We don't need this line anymore. Got the boom in my hand. We're gonna run some new reefing lines. Gravity working in our favor today. Having fun yet?
Yes.
Take 3. Are you having fun yet?
Yes.
That was another good one. It's lunchtime. We get to take a break.
I don't think that'll ever happen.
Then we can put the boom on and start putting the sails on. And then we can go sailing. Good, man. How you doing? Yeah, I got a few. 12 millimeter. You need a socket? Adjustable wrench. Open end? 2, yeah. Is that big enough?
Yeah, that would work.
And then I got a smaller one here, and I've got some real big ones too. Is that gonna work too? Or?
Yeah, that'll work fine.
Cool.
I'll bring it back to you right
It's all yours. I mean, just for a minute, yeah. So, now what? It is a little scary at first, especially.
Yes.
But once you get the rigging figured out in the system.
Okay. Did it on land this time, but we have raised and lowered it on the water.
That's true.
And pretty good wind.
The biggest issue there is when you just drop a piece of hardware and it immediately goes in the water.
It was a bit of a struggle. Yeah.
So we've bought a lot of extra hardware, but it's easier and safer to do it on land. We're doing it. We're almost there. I mean, we are pretty much there.
How
We've got the boom on now, so we are ready to put some sails on this rig now. Sails on, reefing lines attached, then we'll put them away.
crashing up
Furl the head sail
on
and-
golden sand. I may never make it back to the island where my heart has been with you all these years. I may never make it back to the islands of my youth. In my mind, I'm already there. I can see
Mast raising
your
pole.
blonde hair
Gin pole? Is that what it is?
blowing gently in the wind and gazing
Yeah, I can't remember what it's
into
called.